Welcome aboard. Have you ever wondered how two airlines could almost collide in mid-air? Isn't air traffic control supposed to stop that from happening? Well, that's exactly what many people were asking after a recent Delta incident at Atlanta Airport. According to the information released so far, one Delta flight was about to land. The pilot saw the runway wasn't completely clear, so they did exactly what they were trained to do. They went around. At almost the same time, another Delta airplane was taking off. As the first plane started climbing away, the two aircraft ended up much closer than anyone wanted. The good news are no collision, no injury. Everyone landed safely. Now, here's the part that really caught my attention. I wasn't asking who made the mistake. The investigation is still underway. We will have to wait for the final report. What interested me was something much bigger. Most people think that once pilots make the right decision, the danger is over. But that's not always how aviation works. Sometimes the right decision fixes one problem and immediately creates another challenge. That's exactly what happened here. The go-round was absolutely the right call. But once the airplane started climbing again, it was back in busy airspace. And just like that, a new risk appeared. That's how aviation works. Safety doesn't depend on one perfect pilot or one perfect controller. It depends on layer after layer of protection. The pilots, the controllers, the aircraft safety system. Every layer is there to back up the others. If one layer misses something, another layer is ready to help. After 33 years in the cockpit, that's probably one of the biggest lessons aviation has taught me. Flying isn't safe because people never make mistakes. Flying is safe because the system is designed to catch those mistakes before they turn into accidents. That's why, even after hearing stories like this, flying is still one of the safest ways to travel. I'm Captain Mark, from the cockpit to the world. I will see you on our next flight.